How to make money on people per hour as a lifestyle blogger. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, People Per Hour is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills for the visitors of the profile, of the platform. So for example, if I was a visitor visiting this platform looking for a lifestyle blogger, I would go to the search button in here, click on search freelancers, and I'm going to enter the skill of the freelancer that I'm looking for. Click on the search, and I'm going to click on all offers to see all of the offers that we have in here. And as you can see here, we have a lot of profiles and a lot of freelancers doing this skill. This one is getting paid $185, $65, $110, $20, $150, $35. So the price varies from one to another. So I'm going to show you how you can create a profile in the platform like those ones to showcase your skill as well. So let's go back to the main page, and in your top right, click on the freelancer button and make sure to choose I want to work as a freelancer. Then click on sign up with email, and then you fill the usual information, your first name, last name, email and password. Then you click on sign up. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to enter my email and my password as well. And click on login. And here, as you can see, you're almost ready to start selling. Please complete your application in order to join our community of the highest quality freelancers online. A solid application proves to us that you're serious about selling and gives our buyers confidence that you're a great fit for their needs. So here, let's click on apply now. Complete your profile to join our global community of freelancers and start selling your services to our growing network of businesses. So the first thing you're going to do is drop in a profile picture. Then you enter your job title, for example, award-winning web developer, or we can go with lifestyle blogger. Then you proceed to enter in your skills, and the maximum amount of skills that you can add is 15. So make sure to use these spots wisely. So here, let's start with blogger or blogging. So we have guest blogging, blog writing, blog development, outreach, commenting. Let's go with blog design. So you can enter all of the skills that you can do. Let's go with life coaching, lifestyle writing, life as well, lifestyle photography, lifestyle management, lifestyle painting. So let's leave it at those skills. After that, you proceed to add in your description. So here you describe yourself to buyers. So guys, in order to make a decent description, the method I prefer to use personally is checking the other freelancers' descriptions and taking inspiration from that. So let's go to the search button in here, click on search freelancers, and we can open that, and here enter your skill, lifestyle blogger. Click on all offers, and here we have all of the offers that we have in the platform. So let's go to the first ones and let's check this one's description, for example. And she made some sales, 42 sales out of approximately 9,000 views. So let's check her description. And from the get-go, you'll notice that this is a very long description. It just made me bored and made me wanna close this and go check another one's description. But let's give it a chance. Chances are, if you're reading this, you're a brand, blogger, or editor looking for a freelance lifestyle writer to help you with modern day content creation. Hopefully your search is over. So this is a catchy paragraph. It will make you read the whole, or it will make you read another 3 or 2 paragraphs. My name is Lady Macrae. I don't know if I pronounced her name right, and I'm a freelance lifestyle content creator based in Bristol as the editor of a beauty focused magazine, a content creator and creator for a handful of unique and super current brands, and a ghostwriter for up and coming fashion and beauty bloggers. My skills are vast, but my focus very clear: to create lifestyle focused content that doesn't just work for its purpose, it excels. I cover 3 main areas: editorial content for print, such as magazines and lookbooks; digital content for marketing purposes, including blog posts and social media posts; and finally, I ghostwrite for lifestyle bloggers. So this is a very good description. You can take inspiration from it, but just make sure to make a short description than this one for your profile, and that will be perfect. So here, let's go back to finishing our profile, and here click on edit, and you'll be able to edit everything about your profile, your skills, the description, a portfolio if you have one, location, and the industry expertise. Then you enter your hourly rate and the currency. You can choose the currency that you want, and then you can drop your phone number in here as well. Then you click on save to save those information. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.